Hello and welcome to our video blog in 60 seconds. Today we'll be talking about our SupraFix 3.0, the updated version of our practical SupraFix 2 fixation system, giving you even more flexibility. With SupraFix 3.0, wall-mounted toilets can be installed quickly and easily by just one person. As soon as the retaining bolts are inserted through the mounting holes, the toilet is being firmly held against the wall and cannot slip off the mount. The rest of the installation is then straightforward and can be done from above. The innovative new feature here is something called the Vario-nut that is found inside the bolt. This nut lets you align either the lid or the seat with the front edge of the toilet, depending on your customer's preference. Thanks to the concealed fixation, no screws or cover caps are visible once the product is installed. So it is the ideal solution. You save time and can offer your customers design perfection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune into our next episode. See you next time.